Accepted for value, denied by reality. Every time. Welcome to Facts or Frauds. This episode, we're in Idaho with a mansion, a Moorish sovereign belief system, and the A4V paperwork that doesn't prove anything.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good. How you
Good. Homedale Police.
How you doing, sir?
Good. Did you buy this?
Yes.
We had it as an abandoned property, so I just saw the car. I just wanted to check on everything.
Yeah, everything is fine. How did you even get in here?
Huh?
How did you even get in here?
Oh, the fence.
Okay.
I'm Chris.
How you doing?
Hey.
Messiah.
Messiah? Pleasure.
All right.
When did you guys buy the property?
I have the paperwork and everything, but how did you even get on my property? I'm trying to figure that out. Y'all jumped the fence?
Well, no. Right over there.
We have the combinations to all the lock shit.
Yes, I have all my paperwork and
Okay.
everything. So I would appreciate if y'all just get off the yard.
That's
Can
not
you
going to
please
happen
take my
until
property?
you prove that this is your place, because we've been dealing with this, and you keep coming back here, so you already know what's going to happen.
That's right, this isn't his first time here. Same mansion, same police, same claims, same ending.
Yo, you guys are really crazy.
Why?
Like, what are you doing here?
Huh?
What are
Like
you doing here?
I just told you, like
How
I said.
did you even get here?
We have it.
Can you turn your body camera on, please?
No, absolutely not. It's going to stay on.
You said no.
Yeah.
All right, give me a second just to protect.
Well, hold on. Oh, yeah, no, it is on. I thought you meant turn it off.
Oh no, I said turn it on.
Oh, no, it's definitely on.
Okay, here you go. Let me get my paperwork and everything together. Just stay right there.
No,
Yeah.
hold on. Nope. Hey.
Listen, we're either going to have a conversation, or you're going to jail. Open the
I'm
door.
trying to speak to you.
All right.
I don't want you in my
So
house.
cut the
Period. I don't want you in my house.
This is
I have
not
paperwork.
your house.
It is. I have paperwork for this house.
It's not.
And this is. Sir, why would I lie to you?
We've been through this before,
Why would I lie to you?
Why would you lie? Well, there's reasons for that. Your belief system of accepted for value is total nonsense and fraud. And you've been through this before.
Did you cut the locks and change them again?
No, I did not.
Because that's what you did last time.
I did not.
What is your
I
real
told
name?
You want that?
No, that's
Do you
not
want
even.
that?
That's a made-up ass
Do
name.
you want that?
I want your ID. How about that?
Here you go, sir.
No,
This is my
I want your
ID.
driver's license.
This is my ID.
I want your
This is
driver's
trust.
license.
And if you know anything about trust, I'm federally protected under trust.
No. We're gonna play these games, but you
Okay,
already
sir.
know what the end result's gonna be. You already got kicked out of here once. You already got arrested once, and you keep
Sir,
coming
I
back.
got arrested.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Okay.
This is my property.
Yeah. Okay. What'd you pay? $3 for it?
The same thing your parents paid.
Yeah. Okay. You're a liar, because I check on this house all the time.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
And I have a UCC one.
379.
You will be served.
Okay. Listen,
For playing color of code.
I don't even know what that means.
Okay. Just know what that is. Just know what that is.
That doesn't mean anything
Just know
to
what
me.
that is.
It means
Is
nothing
that
to
I'm
me.
federally protected under
Okay.
trust.
Okay.
And if you keep,
Prove to me
What
that
is
you own
your
this
name?
house. Prove to me you own this house.
take me to court. If you
No.
think I don't.
No.
That's what you're gonna do.
No,
Take me to
no,
court.
I'm going to take you to jail.
Yes, he's gonna take you to jail. That's how this works. This is not a civil matter. It's a criminal matter. You're trespassing. You're breaking and entering. I can go on.
There you go, sir. There you go. Take this.
What is this? Notice of claims of adverse interest.
Thank you, sir.
This looks legit.
That is legit. It
Yeah.
got stamps.
This 3x3 little thing of light writing looks.
Brother, that's down there. It was recorded. It's recorded, sir. Down there. So if anybody,
I still haven't seen a deed.
Accepted for value isn't a deed. It's a paper ritual that's never transferred property in any court.
It's
Where's the
coming in
deed to the
mail.
house?
The deed is coming in the mail.
That's what you said the last time.
sir.
That's what you
The
said the
deed is
last
coming in
time.
the mail,
That looks
sir.
like a prescription.
If you think you're going to charge an estate, that's who's suing you, buddy. You see that name? Yeah.
I'll sue you. I'll take all your money.
I'm your Messiah, and believe that.
Okay.
I will sue the out of you.
That's fine. You
Get
can.
off of my property,
No.
please.
No.
Please.
No. That
That's all
means
I have
nothing.
right now, sir. That's all
That
I
means
have.
nothing.
If anything, we gotta go to court. This is a civil matter.
It's not.
It's a civil matter.
No,
and
it's
I
not.
told you what it is.
This is you
This
trespassing.
is a simple matter, and I don't trespass, sir.
Yeah,
I don't
you
trespass.
did already.
I live on the land. I am heir. I am God.
Okay.
I'm a sovereign.
No, you're
Nah.
I know. That's why.
Sovereign.
That's why you're gonna learn
Sovereign.
that that's not how the world works.
Well, you're gonna see.
Okay.
Right. Accepted for value doesn't cancel mortgages, foreclosures, bank owning property. You're just a squatter. It has never transferred property to anybody. So please, read up on what you're buying into.
A bank don't even own money.
That's why.
A bank don't even own money. You f***ing fool.
Okay.
A bank doesn't even own money.
All right. So he can't.
Since
He can't prove
1933.
anything.
I
So
did prove it.
Come on out.
I did prove it. I'm not doing nothing, bro. Can you get my phone? Can you get my
It's
phone?
right there.
No.
Your phone's right
No,
there.
that's not it. My phone right there, bro. All right, we'll get it down. Can you get my phone?
Relax.
You guys are crazy.
Whose dog it is?
And
He's the sovereign Messiah.
Can you
Nah,
get my
this
phone?
is Marquise Wells.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, it is.
Please
Yeah, it is.
don't ever call me that.
Yeah, it is.
And I'm telling you,
Yeah, he's got a bunch of warrants. Marquise.
this is abandoned property. I've been lived here. I've been living here for 3 months. Yes, Messiah El Bey has been living here for 3 months. You didn't read no Miranda rights.
We didn't
Am I
question.
under arrest?
We didn't question. You're
You
under
did. You said I was under arrest.
You're
Why
under
didn't
arrest?
you read my Miranda rights?
because we're not
Is
questioning.
your cameras on?
We're not questioning you.
You're not questioning me. You did question me already.
Okay.
How didn't you?
Then I guess you're gonna beat the case. So you got nothing to worry about
Bruh, how didn't you read me my Miranda rights?
because we're not questioning.
Is your camera on?
It's all. It's been on.
Show me. Show me.
I'm telling you, I don't lie. We can't lie about that.
You are. Y'all are done, Daryl. I promise you, bro.
Cool.
You're trying to charge my sister K Trust?
Say what?
You're trying to charge my sister K Trust?
Your sister K Trust?
Yes.
What is that?
Sister K Trust.
I don't know
Do
what
you
that
know
is.
the other side of life?
I don't know.
Freedom.
I don't
Do you know what
understand.
freedom is?
And that smile on his face tells me he has not heard from our friend Joel.
I ain't afraid to say it. These people who y'all listening to are straight agents. These females in this organization are straight agents. One of the, people who started this so-called Moorish American Consulate, they got a warrant out for their arrest. And their name ain't Bey nothing, ain't L nothing.
You big cold-blooded dummy.
Quick favor, hit like, subscribe, share, and comment down below. And to our channel members, thank you for caring about the facts when the world keeps trying to make that difficult. Here's the part nobody wants to admit. They didn't find hidden knowledge, they found a scam. And instead of questioning it, they committed to it. Accepted for value, A4V, adverse possession has never worked. Banks do own property. A4V has never changed that. And every time someone tests it in the real world, the law doesn't bend. It just waits. Until next time, I'll see you soon.